So for those of you who like to know extra things, if you will, there's something I'm going to show you here. So for the curious ones, as we like to call them. So if you look at our Android Studio IDE here, there is this device file explorer. That is really cool. So if we click here, it's going to show you all of this. So these are actually things that are happening internally in our root folder of our phone or emulator that's running, right? So there's a lot of things. There's config files, there's cache, there's accounts, so all sorts of things. But what I'm going to show you here is if you go into data, and you notice that we can get the data app. So we can go to data and you can look at app. It shows all different apps that are running inside or that have been installed inside of our emulator. But let's go to data here. So if we go to data, let's go down and find, for instance, our app that we're working on, which is the trivia. Click on that. There's cache, code cache, files, and there is the shared preferences. Ooh, fun. Click on that. You can see it says main activity.xml. Interesting. This shouldn't be a surprise that this is an XML file because, as I said before, shared preferences saves everything as an XML file. In fact, if I double click this, voila. Remember this? And even gives us the current state of things. Look at that. Remember when we said the index state value the last time was 19? Okay, that's how it's saved. And look at high score. 1000 is a high score. And notice that the tag here is a map because as I said before, it is indeed a hash map here, a representation in XML. All right, look at that. So if whenever you want to go and see inside of your app what's really going on inside of your device, you can come here and see all sort of things. So if we had, say, a database or different kind of files, we could actually come here and look at them and see what they have inside. All right, there we go. Just a small little taste for those of you who are a little bit curious and want to see the inner workings of our operating system, Android here. Very good.